Hi, this is John. Our sump pump in the basement doesn't work. My wife said it made some noise, and when it touched the very lid, the top of the lid is really, really hot. So she unplugged, and I'm checking right now. But I removed the screws around the lid. And you can see some pump there, and the float is like, I think doesn't work. And I'll check, plug in again, and I'll just try to move the float, whether it's still working or not. I guess the pump is like burnt out, and I never replaced some pump before, but I checked some other guys like YouTube, and it looks pretty like not so complicated. So I'll try to replace, but I have to check first whether the pump is burnt out. And when I saw the other guys YouTube, this is check valve. I think this one controls water go up and it doesn't go down. So they recommend if I have to replace it, I have to untie a little bit loose this top one first, and maybe water comes down, and remove the bottom piece, and take this pipe up and check whether I can reuse this PVC pipe. Then hopefully I can unscrew from the pump, and I don't want to buy the other ones, so I'll try that way, and I'll see how it works. I just plug in the sump pump. I can't hear any sound, any vibration from pump. I think that's the burnt out. I just removed the top. I will loosen a little bit top the clamp. Just a screwdriver, and this piece, check valve, and this on the pump. So I'll try to unscrew this pipe, whether I can reuse this one. Yes, luckily it's easy to unscrew this one. Then I can reuse this pipe. I'm just twisting by hand. Yeah, I'll keep this pipe, and I'll go to Home Depot, whether they have a stock at the same size. I just bought a same like similar capacity the pump at the Home Depot, and this one, and 300 something. It's a little bit expensive, but I hope this one works good. And I had to buy extra fitting. The step glued inside here, and I had to buy extra one because my previous, our current PVC pipe to connect the upper piece. This the bottom is like thread inside, but previous pump had a thread outside. So outside and inside thread fitting together, but the new pump has no thread outside, so only thread inside. See, so I had to put this one fitting between inside to inside. So I just connect the screw this one. And I'll screw this one on top, but this one add already be like this much height, so I have to cut this PVC pipe. Maybe either up there, cutting up there, or cutting this one, but I'll just loosen that piece and find out where I cut. I just connected the new pump and previous PVC pipe by adding the adapter, but was too high, so I just compared the previous pump from the bottom to around maybe after screwing like a pipe, it'll be around 1 5/8 inches from the bottom. And now after adding adapter with a new pump, around 4 inches from the bottom, the right underneath the previous PVC pipe. So I have to cut this pipe, but when I check this, all the glued, and this the check valve too, also this rubber piece, I think they glued with the PVC pipe, so I couldn't remove by hand, and it means I have to cut and reconnect everything, but I never done before. But I guess I can buy some piece and glue and I can try. But I saw this upper section, I can unscrew this part, so I'll take this piece to the Home Depot, and maybe I might need the rubber, this piece. After cutting right size, I think I need to cut 2 3/8 inches. Then we'll be working. Of course, this is not the very simple, but this is the first time to do, so I think I can just find a same piece and cut and whatever and make it work at the Home Depot, and bring back this piece and reconnect with this new pump, and I hope that works. Very good. Yeah, I'm unscrewing this piece. and I'll cut this piece around 2 3/8, and let's see. I cut upper piece around 2 3/8 inches shoulder, and I put this rubber piece back, and I have to clamp after screwing the upper pipe. I tightened around the check valve up and down pieces. I used a screwdriver to clamp these two, and top two and bottom two. There was a leak after connecting upper piece and bottom PVC pipe. This one's supposed to like one unit like this, but there was leaking, and I tightened harder, but I think I snapped and this fell off. So I had to go buy a different piece, replacing this one with rubber one piece. So in this case I have to cut this line, and I'll just connect upper and down piece with this rubber like connector. I finished connecting a new rubber piece here, and I fastened the clamps top these two, and I checked there's no leaking here. But when I start a pump plug in, a little bit leaking from check valve, but I found out why the previous pump burnt out. I think water doesn't come out anymore. I think the outside the pipe is blocked, I think frozen, so I just unplugged for now. After melting snow, and the sump pump worked very good, and no leak there at the pipe, but we had to buy small garden pump to pump out the water, because outside of somewhere pump still blocked and I guess frozen. So I recommend you guys having extra like small garden pump, just in case main sump pump doesn't work. Anyway, new pump works very good, and no problem anymore.